Hello all. This video is the FreezerPro Sample Disposable Standard Operating Procedure. The first step, the DMC Data Manager will generate a list of samples to be discarded and send it via email to the site team and upload it onto Box. This is how the pull list will look. It will have the PID, sample name, type, aliquot ID, barcode, freezer, the levels, box, and position. This can be found in the Shared with Sites and Stakeholders folder. For the site staff, the DMC Data Manager will create a freezer titled site_discarded samples for each clinical site under their freezer group. The data manager will use the access permission feature to restrict access to this new freezer to only DMC staff and the relevant site staff. The site staff will create a box in this freezer that will have the naming convention of year, month, day, _site, _sample type abbreviation, _study name. So this right here is a sample that I will show you. The site staff will be asked to place the samples to be discarded in this box by using the scan and move function. So you click here, and then you click on an empty well, and then you click scan and move, and you scan the barcode and press enter to move the vial or enter the barcode. However, if the site staff are not using all of the sample, then you will right click on the sample, click copy sample. You will see one sample has been placed to the clipboard. And then you will click right on empty location. You click on create derivatives. And then you can select copy user defined field, which is selected right here, subtract value from master sample, which is selected. And we can select a small value to be removed. I put in 1.0, then you click save. And so now that is done. The site staff will inform the DMC Data Manager via email when they have finished moving the samples to be discarded and the box created. They will separate the samples and put the box back in the freezer. The samples will be discarded once the DMC Data Manager has reviewed the context in the box and confirms the sample matches the list generated in the very first step. Each site staff will have a discarded samples log. The site staff will fill out the site staff separated and samples discarded section in yellow. The DMC staff will complete sections in green. The comment section can be filled out by both the DMC Data Manager and site staff if the comments are necessary. You will then update the master sample list at the time of confirming if the samples have been removed from the site staff matches the list generated in the pull list. Please note that this is only the FreezerPro and data storage SOP regarding sample disposal. Each site should refer to their standard operating procedure for physical sample disposal structure. Thank you for your time.